Very unsettled indeed. But we're not alone. Parts of Greece have had some large totals of rain during the course of the last day or so. And many areas of Europe have got a lot of cloud across them, as you can see. This is a little area of low pressure developing in the southeast of Europe. It gave that heavy rain. It's going to give even more. And you can notice, too, some cloud moving into Spain and Portugal, as well as many other areas. So it's hardly surprising we're looking at showers and longer outbreaks of rain for a good part of Europe. Some areas of the Mediterranean are clinging on to some fine weather. Now, this area of low pressure is going to be around for a while. First of all, it's pulling the winds back from the south or the southwest, so it has become, or is becoming, warmer. Then we see the isobars packing in, so it's going to get a lot windier. And within those isobars, little kinks, little areas of low pressure and weather systems that are going to bring along a fair amount of rain from time to time. And that's what we have at the moment. Heavy rain through northern parts of England into southern Scotland, on and off throughout the rest of the day and into the night. You can see that rain that's been developing during the night, during this morning, and it is easing a little bit further northwards as we speak. There is some drier weather following along behind. Even one or two breaks are trying to come through in the south, but I think as the breaks develop, so there may well be one or two showers too. The rain's eased off in Northern Ireland, some showery outbreaks coming along there as it tends to brighten up, and the rain further north easing a little bit more into southern Scotland as time goes on. The north of Scotland and northwest of Scotland are actually faring quite well. Some of today's best temperatures, but of course the northeast of Scotland will stay rather grey and misty. And also, as it's brightening up in the south, it's not only turning fairly humid, but we are seeing some quite reasonable temperatures. Now, last night that little front tended to fizzle and then rejuvenate. I think it's going to do exactly the same tonight. The rain eases off for a time, then some heavier pulses come back into Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, parts of northern England. To the south of it, looks like it's going to be misty and murky and foggy and quite a warm, sticky night too. Cooler in the north. Warm southerly winds tomorrow, so after a grey start, much of England and Wales looks like having a lovely day. Warm and fairly sunny, some hazy sunshine, still some outbreaks of rain in the west, and a pretty wet day for central and northern Scotland. But it's downhill or change over the weekend. Make the most of Friday, because there'll be a weather front swinging across during the course of Saturday, bringing a band of rain, bringing an increase in the wind. And once that rain has gone by, it's a case of squally showers. And then very windy indeed through Sunday and into Monday. I think we'll find gales in many parts of the country, very autumnal indeed. And we're going to find showers and longer outbreaks of rain just about everywhere. And it's going